principal today. The same assembly we want to conduct tomorrow also. So tomorrow she will join it. Okay. I want to know how it's going. Everyone are prepared. Everything I know that first. So after the confirmation there is about this all, I will call her. Okay. So that means tomorrow she will be joining us. Okay. No, hi,
Good
Ann.
morning.
So it's like
Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, good morning. Yes. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. So I would like to invite Hannah and Samad for prayer. Just one or two, three lines needed, Hannah.
Ma'am, I didn't do the word of the day.
Why? I know this.
Why?
I know that that's why I didn't call her.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Hanan, come on, say. Prayer. I would like to invite Hannah and Samad for prayer.
عيشي بلادي عاشت بها إماراتنا عشت لشعب دينه الإسلام هادي القرآن حسنته فبسم الله يا وطن بلادي 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 وماك الإله شرور الزمان أقسمنا أن بني نعمل نخلص ما نخلص دام الأمان وعاش الألام يا إماراتنا رمز العروبة كلنا نفديك بالدماء نهويك نفديك بالأرواح يا وطن.
Thank you, Hannah. Just word of the day. Adija. No. So news
Hello.
reading. Chakra.
Hello.
Ma'am, can you give me a few minutes?
Few minutes. Okay. So what about you, Nuha?
The fun fact.
Yeah, the fun fact.
Okay. The fun fact is on 9th February 2021, uh, UAE became the first Arab country to reach Mars successfully.
That's enough.
Do I need to say one or more?
Or need one or two.
Do
Okay.
I,
Just prepare one slide for tomorrow. Nuha. You have to prepare one more slide. Ayan,
for what?
what about your?
Ma'am, do I need to prepare a slide for?
Yes, yeah, for the fun fact, Nuha. Prepare small slide. What about you, Ayan? You're not ready?
Sorry.
You forgot Khadija not ready. What about you, Yashnail?
for which miss?
But tomorrow I will, I promise.
Okay, Quran recitation.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Yes,
miss,
what
I'll
is
do it.
this?
yes, we are planning to conduct a small assembly tomorrow. Okay, it's like
Ah,
first Saturday.
Ifa told
Yes,
me.
weekly we need to conduct this type of assembly. Weekly once. Okay.
She told
So
me like
tomorrow,
the
yeah,
mom is come and
yeah.
all.
Tomorrow the principal ma'am will join with us. So be ready for the all things. Like if
What's
you,
the job?
yeah, if you have the presentation, that would be better.
Wait, ma'am, what was my thought for today? Wait, what was mine? Ma'am, what's my job, ma'am?
Yeah, I'll inform you which one is you have. Okay.
Ma'am, what
Shakira
about me?
knows fun fact if Nuha, Yashnil, Quran recitation, small line, one or two lines need to recite.
I'll
Hanan,
be angry.
okay, you can anchor. Hadija, thought for the day. Ayan, word of the day. No,
Ma'am, I was word of the day.
you are word of the day, and Ayan is the thought of the day. Okay, prepare a small slide and ready with that. Be ready with that. Okay. Okay, bye all of you.